You can expect a lot from the 2013 Toyota 4Runner. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.